Hey everyone, how are you guys doing there? And welcome to my channel, Vishalan. And here I am, Vishalan here. So today I'm going to share about Nanofilm. Before that, how is your investment journey going on? Recently, Fed has actually planned to cut the rate in 2024, but somehow the interest rate remained unchanged for the previous during the previous Fed meeting. Without any further ado, let's jump in and dive into this nanofilm stock. Somehow this nanofilm stock has actually plunged from the peak of $6.50 until 83 cents. So I would say actually it's about 650% of losses if those who are actually holding from the peak. But I believe those who are still holding on average, I have a feeling it could be around 200% of losses for most of the investors who are still keeping this stock closely in their portfolio. But somehow, right now, I've actually seen that there is initially there is called an inverse head and shoulder pattern. But if you look, there is an inverse head and shoulders pattern earlier until early December, but somehow today there is a huge plunge which I have no idea what is this plunge about. Even I do check it out if there is any news or announcement that actually made this plunge, but there is no news. The latest news was only on 17th November. But if you look at the, okay, I don't look at the target price, I'm so sorry. I think I'm about to look at the share price. Yeah, exactly, at the share price. I think the short volume is also, it's pretty much around there. Normally you would see shorties in everywhere. So it's not that much, I would say, compared to the early November, like a million. But right now it's about hundreds thousands. That's all. It's around there, either 100,000. It's about 6-figure or 5-figure. No, not that really much. Okay, moving back into technical analysis, but somehow this guy has actually break the important day support. Actually, it broke 2-day support. It broke the first one and it broke the second one as well. And this is considered a huge candle with a huge volume of selling pressure. But I believe if, let's say, this guy going to recover, there must be a good news. But I still wonder why is this guy been plunging so much. But somehow I'm still staying investing into this stock. But I believe that if it actually break here, this from 81 cent until 80 cent, if it actually break below this, that is a good buy to this stock, seriously. But I am actually waiting for the next revenue that's going to be released in 22nd of February. But I'm still waiting for it. But I'm really hoping that we could see something. We could see something here. Because I have no idea what is happening. And as usual, what we could do is that do your needful and make sure you have your trading plan. But for me, if it goes beyond this, then I think it's a red flag for these stocks. I think this stock is not really doing good. If you look front can, if you have actually invested early in front can, you would actually gain about 61%. But if you actually invested in, if it is from 15 August, 15 August, yeah, if you look, you're having a losses of 20%. I find it ridiculous on looking at these stocks by just looking at it. But anyway, to do a recap of this stock, why people are still investing, and what is the most important thing is that believing that the expansion to Europe, Vietnam and India going to profit the business as long it does not break below, how much is that, below 80 cent, below 80 cent, this stock still good to hold. Thirdly, we should wait till the earning report on 22nd February and 24. We should wait. Report release on 22nd February and 2024. I think this is the 3 takeaway that I would able to actually say at this point of time. I think apart of that, nothing much that I could actually say, because it actually break the first support. This is the second support. Okay, from the bottom this is second, and it actually break the first support as well. And I mean, it break 2 supports. Can you imagine if it does not recover back to the first support here, then I think this guy is actually having a huge trouble. So that's the reason we wait until end of today and check it out how it is actually going to show the price action. I think that's all, guys. If you guys love my video, I know it's a bit scattered here and there, and hopefully you guys have taken the takeaways from whatever I've shared earlier. And pretty much that's all, guys. Take care and see you guys around.